that you love each other, and I believe it. But I'm trying to tell you, love is not enough for a successful marriage. There's so many other things that go in it. It's not just about you anymore.
All right, there's a new judge in town. Judge Faith Jenkins is taking the bench to address broken relationships as the new host of Divorce Court. She joins me now to tell me all about the new gig this morning. Good to see you, Judge Faith.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I can't complain at all. All right, so let's jump right into it. Your new job, your new gig as a judge is on this divorce court. So number one, the first question is, when you're dealing with people in this situation, can you tell based on some of the first things that they say which direction this is going to go in?
Oftentimes, yes. They come on the show and, you know, I heard the clip you just played. You said love is not enough.
Yeah.
Where apparently for many of these litigants, they need spy cameras, spy glasses, and technology as well, because they have decided to track their partners in the midst of everything that's going on. People are not going a lot of places these days. But when they do go somewhere, a lot of their partners know exactly where they are, how long they've been there, and where they're going next, based on a lot of the devices and the uses of technology I'm seeing on the show. Just last week, I had a case where a gentleman, his opening statement was, "I am here in divorce court because my wife is not keeping her promises to love and obey me." Ooh. So once I heard those words, I knew that we were in for something very different and unique that day. So I hear a lot of different things.
Okay. All right. So you said that they're tracking people, which means there's a trust issue. You see a lot of cases where there's a lot of people involved in a lot of mistrust in the relationship?
I was actually surprised by the number of cases when we first started hearing all of the cases this season. Probably more than half of people come on the show say that there are issues of mistrust. Some of those mistrust issues are based on things that have happened in the relationship, but a lot of them are based on people's past personal experiences, and they haven't dealt with those past experiences, and they're making their current partner pay. So if someone cheated on you in the past, now you've decided you're going to get out in front of it and catch someone from hurting you before it ever happens. And I tell people, okay, so if you're going to do it, if you're going to catch someone, what is your plan of what you're going to do with this information once you get it? Are you just going to be upset about it? Are you going to nag about it? Are you going to mistrust them forever but stay in the relationship? That doesn't work either, because then you just have two really unhappy people. So I tell people, I can give you relationship advice. I can tell you how to go your separate ways, and we can divide up some assets. But what I cannot teach you is how to trust. And that's just something that just goes with life. Sometimes you're going to get hurt. Just as human beings, human nature, dealing with relationships, dealing with people and jobs, you may experience hurt, you may experience rejection, but you got to learn how to cut your losses, bounce back from it, move forward, and don't make everybody else you encounter in your life pay the price for what someone did to you in the past.
Judge, is that the advice that you would give to people who are having some kind of issue or some kind of trust issue?
Yes, that's exactly the advice, because it's going to happen. You can't always stop yourself from being hurt before it ever happens. So my advice is, c'est la vie, live your life, go forward. If it happens to you, if someone breaks your heart, you know what? When you start over, you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience the next time around.
All right, some very good, solid advice, Judge. Judge Faith, thank you very much. Always a pleasure to talk to you. All right.
Pleasure to be here.
All right.
Talk to you soon.
All right, take care. All right, and just a reminder, you can catch Divorce Court weekdays on Fox 5 Plus. Check your local listings for the times. Marissa.